Introducing the Lambus customizable lists feature, your ultimate packing and checklist companion. As a Lambus Pro user, you have the power to tailor your lists to perfection. To begin, open your trip overview. Now let's access the Notes and Lists section. You can do this by tapping on the Notes icon in the scroll bar or by scrolling down to the Notes section. Within the Notes section, you'll find Lists. Tap on Lists next to the Notes header. It's time to create your customized list. Tap on the plus button in the top right corner of the section. If you'd like to use one of our curated packing lists, simply tap on one that aligns with your needs, like hiking trip. Review it to see if it fits your requirements. Ready to use it? Just tap on Use this list. Now, you have the freedom to add, delete, or customize items on the list, or even entire sections to match your preferences. Once you're satisfied with your list, tap on Done in the top left corner. You'll be redirected to your trip overview. But what if you can't find a packing list that suits your needs or want to create another checklist? No problem. Simply tap on Create Own. Here, you can add, delete, and customize items and sections to your heart's content. Once again, when you're pleased with your list, tap on Done in the top left corner, and you'll be directed back to your trip overview. But wait, there's more. You can also create templates for your lists to reuse them again and again. Simply tap on Create New Template. Name your list and tap on Submit. You can add, delete, and customize items and sections as needed. When you're ready, tap on Done. Your list is now saved and can be accessed for future trips. With Lambus customizable lists, you have the tools to stay organized like never before. Create templates and customized lists, and streamline your travel planning effortlessly. Thank you for watching this Lambus tutorial. Have an amazing trip!